Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesflare account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin from your Salesflare account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with various VAs or assistants, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Salesflare account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove an admin or a team member, here on the bottom left, you're going to click on this little temperature button down here on the bottom left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the members you have in your group. If you don't see them, make sure you click on Manage Your Team here on the left. And then once you found the admin or team member you want to remove, you want to click on the blue button next to their name. This person hasn't accepted, so there's not a delete button, but there is a cancel for their invitation. I'm going to click on there. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that team member has been removed, so they no longer have access to my Salesflare account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a team member in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.